Operation of this robot is roughly as follows. Once we get power, the DC motor moves the actual robot. So we have tracks. So the DC motor moves those tracks forward and then stops. After this point, we have the servo motor, which turns on, and then the arm, the IR sensor arm, which is what the servo motor controls, um, extends to 90 degrees. The photoresistor is meant for um, light scanning. It's taking place here of the LiDAR. So its purpose is to scan for personnel. And once people are within the range of the robot, the IR sensor will turn on and a more detailed scan will take place. Once personnel are scanned, we have two readings. So assuming that people are within safety standard or have the appropriate safety equipment, the green LED will be turned on, and that means everything is good to go. And in the case that they do not have all the safety equipment on, the red LED will be turned on and the alarm will sound. So we'll start this simulation. The pins are defined here, and setup happens over here. At the beginning, we're going to do sort of a initial check. The alarm turns on, as well as both LEDs. The DC motor then turns on and rotates forward to simulate robot movement. It then stops, and the IR or the servo motor goes to 90 degrees. The photoresistor here has been turned on, so with a light reading, if the light reading is greater than 500 here, we're simulating people within range. The IR sensors then turn on, and we have an if else code here. So once the sensor state is low, which means that the light has been interrupted, we're scanning personnel. This printout here is to simulate that the information has been received from the IR sensor. And in the case that safety equipment is present, here we have a red LED being turned off or off, and the green LED on or high. Down here we have, in case the opposite happens, so safety equipment is not detected, red LED on, alarm on. And then we have the arm or the IR sensor arm going back to 0, with the servo motor going to 0, and then the DC motor going backwards.